In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a date-based property flow in Klaviyo. This is a powerful feature that allows you to automate emails based on specific dates associated with your contacts, like subscription renewals or post-purchase follow-ups. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up this type of flow effectively. Let's get started by navigating to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the blue button that says Create Flow. This is where the magic begins. Clicking this button will open up a new window where you'll have the option to choose how you want to build your flow. Now, you'll notice a few template options based on engagement metrics, but for this tutorial, we're going to take a different route. Instead of selecting one of these pre-made templates, go ahead and click on the Build Your Own button, which is also conveniently located in the top right corner. This option gives you the flexibility to tailor the flow precisely to your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to name your flow layout. It's important to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Think about the purpose of your flow. For instance, if it's for reminding customers about a subscription renewal, you might call it Subscription Renewal Sequence, or if it's for checking in with customers about a warranty, something like Post-Purchase Warranty Check would be appropriate. Once you've come up with a suitable name, enter it in the designated field. With your flow named, it's time to bring it to life by clicking the Create Flow button. This action will take you to the next stage, where we'll set up the specific details of your flow. At this point, you will need to select the type of structural trigger that will initiate your flow. Since we're focusing on date-based properties, you'll want to choose date-based as your trigger type. This selection is crucial because it allows the flow to operate based on specific date properties tied to each contact. After selecting the date-based trigger, you'll need to choose the particular date property that will activate your flow. This could be any date-related data you have on your contacts, such as their subscription start date, a purchase date, or any other custom date field you've set up in Klaviyo. Selecting the correct date property ensures that your automated communication aligns perfectly with the timing you have in mind. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the foundational elements of a date-based property flow in Klaviyo. From here, you can continue to customize the flow by adding email templates, adjusting timing, and setting any additional conditions to refine how and when your messages are sent. This flexibility allows you to create highly personalized and timely interactions with your audience. Remember, the key to maximizing the effectiveness of your flows is to regularly review and adjust them based on performance data. This way, you can ensure that your automated communications continue to meet the evolving needs of your business and your contacts. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a date-based property flow in Klaviyo. I hope you found it helpful and feel confident in setting up your own flows. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources Klaviyo offers. Happy automating!